Welcome to another MSI weekly demo. Today we have some exciting updates regarding the store pickup and regarding the B2B support which we're targeting to release in the upcoming patch. So guys, we'll be sharing some information on this. And I think the first one to share his progress would be Max, who will show us how currently you can place a store pickup order from the admin panel. So Max, please, welcome.
Well, hi everyone. Let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see it. So I already demonstrated this pull request 1 or 2 weeks ago, but it's still in progress. Can you see my screen or not?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So last time I showed that now there is a drop-down with sources marked as pickup location. So what we have now, first of all, if we select store pickup shipping method, shipping address will be disabled. In future, we will leave enabled first name, last name, and company. And besides that, in scope of current pull request, I will hide the dropdown if store pickup is not selected. So this time, when you place an order this way, the shipping address will be replaced by address of source. So now you can see they are at least different. Also, there you can see an shipping method name and the source name itself. That's all. Looks simple, but it's not.
Yeah, it's actually not that simple as it may look like. Max, I wanted to double check with you. You said you're going to do the hiding of the drop down when any other shipping method is selected. So you said you were going to do this in the scope of the same pull request, but regarding disabling all of the fields from address apart from the name and company, are you going to do it in this pull request as well, or is it something you would like to work on in the future?
Well, I'm tired of current pull requests, so I have created a new issue already for that.
Okay,
so yes, I will do it separately.
I also think that we had some automated tests for this. So it would be nice to get this MFTF test merged into your pull request and make sure it works, or maybe introduce some minor adjustments, but this way it would be complete if we do it right now.
So are these tests ready right now?
Yeah, the test at least 1 week ago it was ready. It did not check for the changing of the address, so we have to update that again. But yeah, pretty much test is ready, but it's in the separate pull request. But anyway, I think we can discuss that offline if you don't mind.
Sounds good. Okay.
Okay. Anyone else has any questions? Okay, that seemed really clear actually. Okay, thank you very much, Max. Thank you for your effort. I hope we get this merged really soon. So the next one on the agenda is Alexander. Alexander has been working on the last major feature we are lacking in this store pickup, at least from my knowledge. And this would be the GraphQL, and so far so good. We have mutation, which is intended to set the pickup location code to the customer's code. So maybe Alexander will tell us more about this.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Evgeny. I will start with sharing my screen. And I hope you can see it.
Yes.
Okay. Cool, thank you. Okay, so the pull request is related to placing order with GraphQL. So I will start with the explanation of setup. So we have multiple different sources, and some of them are marked as a pickup location. All of these sources has been assigned to our default website with according they set up it with default stock, and they are set up it in European stock, which also set up it to default website. Okay, and we have a product with SKU test, but let me just show how it works. So first mutation is just create empty card. It's default GraphQL quote mutation. Nothing changes there. Then I this token masked quote ID and add product with SKU test with quantity 1. So, and now I'm going to add a shipping address. There you can see fields from the shipping address, and in addition the added field for pickup location code to the shipping address object. So each shipping address in bright future can have its own pickup location code. And as return information for this mutation will be returned card with the information about address and pickup location code. Yeah, okay, so here you can see that we have first name, last name, and company test. They still test, and street, city, and region they changed. Also changed the postcode and country. Also, you can see that the selected pickup location for this address is that which we passed to the shipping address. Okay, so set shipping address. Now we are setting in-store pickup shipping method. Oh, yeah, the cool token. Yeah, okay, so we have set the shipping address, and there you can see that address, the still address of pickup location. Here we're setting a billing address, over quote. I have set up a flag for billing address, saving use for shipping. So any other case, it should replace the billing address and use it as a shipping address. So the addresses will be the same. And for now, you can see that shipping address is still address of pickup location, even if this flag is set to true. Okay. Nope. Let me select this. And okay, one more step is we setting email for guest code. Email was set, and finally we are going to place the order. Oh yeah. Okay, we have order ID, let's go to the orders page. There we have this order, which just created. And you can see we have notify order is ready for pickup button, and in store pickup shipping method. Yeah, it is it. Now I think the last step for this mutation will be to cover all these manual steps with API tests, and it is it. Thank you for the attention.
Thank you very much, Alexander. This looks really great. Actually, while watching the demo, I've come up with a question. Since it's GraphQL and I guess it's intended to be used with arbitrary set of fields, is it possible to do a mutation with not the complete address but just the names and pickup location code, or do you still have to include some kind of address into each mutation?
Okay, this is a good question. Let's just try it. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so let's create new quote. Okay, one non-commented. Let's create new quote. Here we have new quote. Add the product. Add a shipping address. Okay. Do you mean remove fields like, let's just, I think country probably will be required, but let's just remove them all. Street, city,
Yeah,
region, postcode, and country.
the fields which we would anyway use from the pickup location. But yeah, this set looks fine.
Okay. Okay, so there's limitation of the GraphQL schema. The city is required.
Excuse me for interruption, but I believe you can just pass an empty value. Let's just see the error message. It says that empty value can be passed, or it means that it's required.
I assume this means that null can be passed instead. So.
I think it's required, but let's check with the empty values. I don't know, or postcode.
Does GraphQL accept null?
Okay, so with empty values it works, and let's check with null. Okay, so it expects string, and as I remember, the sign means that this field is required. So anyway, it need to be at least have empty string. And
So this
in
sounds
other
good
cases,
because it would not make any sense. Well,
yeah.
anyway, it would not make any sense if you are doing some heavy integration for the store pickup to always include some kind of a random address. So it's good that we can just use empty values.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Sounds perfect.
Yeah, actually it looks really great. So I assume the only part from the GraphQL we can't currently still missing is the listing of all of the available pickup locations, right?
Yes, you're totally right.
That's perfect. Then we're close to completing this. Thank you very much, Alexander, for your hard work on this. Maybe anyone else on the call has any questions? Okay, yeah, this was really clear, so
Well, excuse me, but we need to go.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Max and Alexander. Thank you for your time and for your effort.
See you
If
next
you're
week.
interested in looking at B2B, I'll be sharing the recording later on today. Okay, and now guys are leaving, but we still have one more item on the agenda. This item is actually a long-awaited support of the B2B features in the scope of multiple stocks. So basically, currently it was only possible to use B2B features on the default stock, but now things are going to change. And Slava will demo some of the modules which we are going to include in the upcoming release, which enable B2B and enterprise features to work with MSI correctly. So, Slava, please go ahead if you're ready.
Hi everyone. So I hope you see my screen.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, great. So I have in my Magento, I have custom stock created, two custom source assigned to it, and it has sales channel main website. And I have two simple products here. They both of them they have some inventory on this custom source 1 and custom source 2. Only on custom source, not default source here included. So let me show how it works. Let's start from quick order. We have here three options. We may just enter a single school, and I'm starting to type simple, and I may choose simple 1 and simple 2. I need to add some quantity that I want to add to my shopping cart, and click add to cart. And here we are. Our shopping carts have this simple product with 5 quantity. I may proceed to checkout as well. And place the order. Another option for quick order, multiple school, and I need to type them one by one, separate them with comma. Click add to list. Here we are, we have two my products, and let it be just one item, and I need to click add to cart to put them in shopping cart, and I may proceed to checkout as well with placing order. Yeah, MSI order placed successfully. And third option is do it from file. I have my file. It's have two columns, school and quantity. So I choose my CSV file, and here we are. It's my two products may be added to the cart, and the quantity there was 2 for first one and 3 to second one. And this exactly what we see in our quick order: 2 item of simple 1 and 3 item of simple 2. I may edit them to cart as well, and proceed to checkout and place my order. We have success message, and another feature to show is requisition list. First, I have already some created list, but I need to add my products to it. So I go to simple one product page and click add to requisition list. Then I go to simple two product, add it to also to my requisition list. Now I go to my dashboard, my customer dashboard, choose my requisition list, click view. Here we are, we have simple one and simple two here. I may update here quantity as I want to. I need to update my list. And now to place order, I need to check in my products and click add to cart. Here we are. You may see our shopping cart. I have 4 of simple one and 6 of simple two placed, and I may proceed to checkout as well. And I may show you that our orders are placed. One moment. Let's see the last one. Here, simple one, 4 items, simple two, 6 items. So we have successfully placed orders here. I think that's all from me.
Thank you, Slava. This looks really good. We have been working on this feature for quite a long time, and lots of credit goes to Ricardo and his team at Mesh Specialist, and also to Lars and team in Tech Division for working on these features earlier. Currently, what we have done is just completed them and like added some tests and preparing for the release, but still credit goes to those guys. Okay. I believe this concludes our agenda for today. So thank you very much, guys, for your time. Thank you for attending, and I guess see you next week.
Bye.